Find the signs of a bad starter relay in Mercedes-Benz GLA 250. In a Mercedes-Benz GLA 250, the starter relay acts as a switch for the starter solenoid and starter motor. Starter relay uses a moderate ignition switch current to close the much more powerful starter circuit. Moreover, the starter relay and the starter solenoid work together to run the starter mechanism. When the starter relay doesn't operate in this order, the engine won't start. The following points define the signs of a bad starter relay in the Mercedes-Benz GLA 250. Starter relay remains on even the engine started. When you switch on the ignition key, the starter relay switches on and operate the starter motor, starter solenoid. Due to the failed relay, the starter relay remains on even long after the engine has started. Fails to start. Failing to start the car is one of the main signs that a starter relay has become damaged. In this case, when you switch on the ignition, the car remains silent and doesn't click, making a clicking sound. Rapid clicks show the relay is not delivering enough current to attract the armature. A possible cause of this problem could be insufficient conductivity due to a worn-out starter relay. Occasional failures in starting. A fully functional starter relay will transmit power to the starter every time it is engaged. Corrosion and residue in the circuit will limit the flow of electrical current and force the relay to work intermittently. Conclusion: a starter relay doesn't contain many moving parts except for the armature in Mercedes-Benz. Moreover, the starter relays need continuous monitoring to ensure they're working properly.